Hello class 9 students. Today I'll teach you chapter 7 triangles from exercise 7.1. Question number A, number 4. One MCQ question based on congruency of triangles. Question number 4. In a quadrilateral ABCD, if AD equals to BC and AD parallel to BC, then which option is correct? In a rough, since it is MCQ question, we don't need to write in details. Let us make the quadrilateral ABCD, where AD and BC both are given equal, both are given also parallel. Then which option is correct? If we can select these two triangles, then we can make them congruent easily. This side both are matching is already given. Since lines are parallel, this angle and this angle both are same. They are alternate interior angles and this line is common. So both the triangles are congruent under side angle side congruency. If both the triangles are congruent, then AB and DC both are equal. So right option is B, AB equals to DC. You don't need to show in details since it is MCQ question. You can just check verbally and you can make them congruent. Then by CPCT we can write these two are equal. So we made these two triangles congruent under side angle side congruency because these two sides are equal. This angle also equal, that is alternate interior angles since the lines are parallel and this line is common. So both the triangles are congruent. Then by CPCT we can make these two are equal. So B is the right option. Now the main question number B, number 1. These are not MCQ questions, either 3 marks or 5 marks. So B, number 1. In a quadrilateral ACBD, diagram also given in the question itself, where AC and AD both are equal, AB bisects angle A, so that triangle ABC and triangle ABD both are congruent, then what can you say about BC and BD? Diagram already given in the question. This is your question. When any geometrical question you are going to prove it, first you need to write given materials, diagram should be drawn here, then to proof, etc. So this is our question. In this question, diagram also given. Some of the given materials are available. So let us write given. In quadrilateral ACBD, AC is equal to AD and AB bisects angle A. So from here to till this much is your given material. So let us write under given. In quadrilateral ACBD, AC is equal to AD, AB bisects angle A. Then question to show that this one. And later on, what can you say about BC and BD? So to prove these two triangles are congruent, that's our question, and diagram already given. So let us draw the diagram to prove these two triangles are congruent. Mind it, this is our question. I have written the question also. Then in our answer given to prove diagram and we'll prove it. Now look, how to prove both the triangles are congruent. One triangle is given, triangle ABC, this one. Another triangle, one triangle is ABC, this one. Another triangle is ABD. One is upper one, another is bottom one. I have to make them congruent. See, these two are already given equal. AC belongs to this triangle, AD belongs to this triangle. Both are already equal. Already given that this AB is bisecting the whole angle A. So this angle and this angle both are equal. This line is common. Then both the triangles are congruent under side angle side congruency. So given thing already written, diagram also drawn. To prove, that is our question, triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. Now proof. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD, first you take AC equals to AD, which is given. Second, let us take this angle and this angle, since AB is bisecting angle A, so angle CAB equals to angle DAB. AB bisects angle A, that's the reason. Because whatever conditions you are using, whatever equal parts you are taking, you must write the reason. Third reason, AB equals to AB, which is common. So both the triangles are congruent by side angle side congruency. Now if two triangles are congruent, then you know that BC and BD both are equal. So finally we can write BC is equal to BD by CPCT. Because in the question they told that what can you say after proving congruency, what can you say about BC and BD? So we can say about BC and BD they are equal because both the triangles are congruent under side angle side congruency. So BC and BD both are equal by CPCT. So after proving this congruency, you can write BC is equal to BD inside the bracket CPCT. That's your question number B, number 1. Now question number B, second question. This is the complete question. Diagram also given in the question itself. This is your question. 3 questions they are asking. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD equals to BC. AD and BC, you could see the single marking. AD and BC both are equal. Angle DAB and angle CBA. This angle and this angle both are equal. Then prove that triangle ABD, this triangle, and this triangle BAC. You could see this triangle, I think. One is triangle ABD, another is triangle BA and C. Both the triangles congruent. Then second, you are going to prove it, BD and AC both are equal. And third, you are going to show angle ABD, this small angle, and angle BAC, this small angle, both we are going to show they are equal. This one and this one, finally we are going to show they are equal. Now, question already given materials to prove, everything is available, even diagram also given in the question itself. So let us go for given. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD equals to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. That is the given material which is available in the question itself. Diagram should be drawn in the corner, that is A, B, C, D. This is your D. I hope it is clearly visible. This is your D. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD and BC both are given equal. Angle DAB, that is this angle, and this angle, that is CBA, both are also equal. Then to prove first question, triangle ABD and BAC both are congruent. Second this one, third this one. Now let us go for proof. Number 1. In triangle ABD and BAC. ABD. This is your D. I hope it is clearly visible. I hope it is clearly visible. So, this is your D point. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC, look at the first matching part. AD belongs to this triangle, BC belongs to this triangle, both are equal. So take the first part, AD equals to BC, given. Second, angle DAB belongs to this triangle and angle CBA belongs to this triangle. So this angle, already given equal. Third one, AB. You could see this AB. AB is the common line for both. So AB is equal to AB. This is the common line for both the triangles. So therefore triangle ABD and triangle BAC both are congruent under side angle side congruency. If triangles are congruent, as you know that by CPCT we can make them, the remaining parts are also equal. So since triangle ABD, this is your D point, and triangle BAC both are congruent, then we can say BD and AC both are equal by CPCT. Again, angle ABD, this angle, and angle BAC, this angle also equal, coming under CPCT. So since triangles already proved they are congruent, To prove the second one, you can write, since both the triangles are congruent, inside the bracket proved above is already proved. Therefore, BD equals to AC. BD belongs to this triangle and AC belongs to this triangle. By CPCT, both are equal. And third one, since triangle this and that both are congruent, proved above. So, angle ABD belongs to this triangle and angle BAC belongs to second triangle. Both are equal by CPCT. Hence, proved. So, question number B, second one also completed. While doing congruency, take care what conditions you are using, which way you are setting, everything is required. Now, question number 3. Another question which I will be teaching you today. AD and BC are equal perpendiculars. This is the diagram where AD and BC, this is your AD and this is your BC, both are equal perpendiculars because this angle already given 90 degree to a line segment AB, they told us. Then we are going to prove it, CD bisects AB. That means I have to show that this one OB and this OA both are equal. We are going to prove it. So, given materials, and you have to draw the diagram also. This minded, it is your question, because of you only I have written this question. Now, given material, AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Then to prove, in the question they have asked, CD bisects AB. So, diagram should be drawn. Now, to prove this, your first duty to make both the triangles congruent. So, this triangle and this triangle, we are going to make both are congruent. So, this triangle name I have taken DAO and this triangle CBO. In both the triangles, you could see this angle and this angle both are matching. Because when two lines are crossing, you know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So, angle AOD and angle BOC both are same. Inside the bracket, reason you can write V dot O dot A. Now, second condition, second equal parts. For this triangle, this angle, that is DAO, and for this triangle, angle CBO, both are equal because each angle is 90 degree. And third, AD for this triangle, BC for this triangle, both are already given, they are equal. It was already written there in the given parts, AD and BC are equal perpendiculars. So both the triangles are congruent. But this time our condition is angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. Both are congruent. So if both are congruent, then by CPCT we can make these two are equal. So both the triangles are congruent. Therefore triangle DAO congruent to triangle CBO by angle, angle, side congruency. So since I have utilized angle, angle, side, that's why I have written also like that. Now both the triangles are congruent means I can write AO belongs to this triangle, BO belongs to that triangle. AO and BO both are equal, CPCT. That is CD bisects AB. Hence proved. Since both the parts are equal, definitely CD will bisect AB only. So hence proved. With this, I will conclude today. Bye.